So today is a happy day. As soon as I entered the door, I found these boxes. Hi! Do you know me? I live here. But trust me guys, consistency is the key. Okay, so this is the waist of my room. Go, 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 go. I can choose elevator, but I choose to walk. I have a solution to everyone who suffers from this storm. Okay, living in abroad could be tough at hard times and you don't want to cook your own meal, but trust me guys, consistency is the key. Okay, so I will show you the system of throwing waste in Netherlands. Okay, so this is the waste of my room and I'll have to throw it. Can you see something there? Just swam. Hi, do you know me? I live here. Do you? Yeah, I have stopped feeling cold in this weather and it's surprising to me, but yeah, that's my building. And I'll show you the recycling. No, it's not recycling bin, it's dustbin only. So many people have kept it over there, see? So in every there is written something like plastic, cardboards, etc. Okay, so this is the machine. Every other machine has this tag like, you know, plastic, cardboard, etc. This has nothing, so you use it for everything. So what you do is, like, this is the place and you need to put the bin over here. So I hope I'm able to do this. Okay, now okay, go, 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 go. I hope it went. Yes. Can you hear that? Okay, it's done. Let's go. See, we all walk in the same path. This just reminds me of how I've always wanted life to be. Such a peaceful place to be in. This is my first class of the day, which is business process management.
Large impact on the company, so has a lot of business value to our customers.
It's a robotics center. Oh, this pretty bird flew away. See, you get to see this every day. Why wouldn't you study in University of Twente? Done with the classes today. I can choose elevator, but I choose to walk because I'm healthy. I don't think that's true. Fine. So it's day 19. So today is a happy day. As soon as I entered the door, I found these boxes. Oh, they're from Nepal. It just feels like they've sent a lot of love and a lot of food and a lot of clothes and everything there. Good day. Yay. Okay. See how happy I am. Because it was so difficult to move these boxes. I can't even shoot, you know. Mama. These are the boxes and that's what I bought. Getting it out is going to be difficult. Oh my god, Mintin. 8:14 in the night and I'm going to Lidl and I'm waiting for my friend to get me onto the cycle. But yeah, they're not here yet. That's someone else. Okay, so I'm in cycle, guys. I'm in cycle, guys, and look at the starry nights. I'll show you. The starry nights. See? This is the fun of not getting a cycle. The fun of not getting a cycle. This is what I made today. Dun-dun-dun-dun. This is called something pasta. No, please don't. I feel shy.
On what? Instagram?
Instagram.
This is the perfect egg.
Not the oil.
Can you give me one more fork? Thank you.
No?
All my cheese went somewhere, Wala.
It's all inside the noodles.
This cheese too. Dinner. It has intact cheese. See? I think one of the reasons I chose to come to Europe is also its safety. I don't think I would be able to walk this freely in any other place. But it could be in my head, Tara. I think I just feel so safe here. And I think that's most important. I'll be walking for maybe 40 minutes. But yeah, there's nothing that I feel I can't do. So often during the night time, I have this strong, sugar craving. I want to have cookie or muffins or something. So I have a solution to everyone who suffers from this strong, craving something, because it really worked for me. I tried everything, but this is one of the best. Just get yourself cucumber, macro cucumber. Just just grate it and don't take away the water. Okay, don't leave out the water. Just grate it. The water is in here in the glass itself, and then just use yogurt. Okay, this is Greek yogurt. I used to have the 10% fat one, but I want to decrease it, so this is 2% fat. It looks like this. Now what you do is, make sure you put one tablespoon, how much you want. Okay, this is not a ratio or anything. This is yogurt and grated cucumber. Now you add a little pepper. Okay, this is pepper, little only. And then you add little salt. If you have black salt, then it's even better. Mix it well. Okay, this green is the juice of the cucumber. This is the solution to. Please like, share, subscribe to my channel, and yeah, just follow along the journey. Bye bye.